Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to clean the entire house today. So I'm showing you right now how messy the house is. It's always this messy in the morning, especially after the weekends. Anyway, I always start cleaning in our bedroom because I like to always fix the bed first before cleaning the rest of the house. After our bedroom, I move clockwise to the living room and dining area, then to the kitchen, which is always the messiest next to the bathroom. I always clean our bathroom last since it's the dirtiest part of the house. I also have to apologize for the quality of the video that I'm uploading today. I don't know what happened, probably because I chose the wrong settings in my camera, which led to this grainy vibe. But the quality will be okay in almost the last thirds of this video, so please be patient with me. So, what I will be doing is I'm going to speed up most of my cleaning with bad quality so that you won't be annoyed as much watching this. I still hope you'll watch the video and be motivated. Anyway, let's start!
There's a prisoner of war, knocking at your door. Open up and you will find the face is yours.
This is what I'm talking about my laundry routine when we have to go to the laundromat to use the dryer. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to wash all of these clothes and the linens and jackets all in one day so that my husband can bring it tomorrow and leave it to the laundry shop to have it dried. This means that I won't have to load the laundry every day for this week.
Dance out in the sun. No one should live undercover. No one is above the other. Freedom is a gift for everyone.
So, I kind of have a mini sugar bar on top of our dresser. I love eating sweets, but recently I noticed that I can't finish a bar of chocolate. So, I decided to buy some jars and store my candies and sweets in it, but I'm planning to put a cabinet next to our fridge so that I can put this in that cabinet. But for the meantime, I'll put them here first.
Step back from behind the shadows. Shake your shame and all your sorrow. Take your place and dance out in the sun. No one should live undercover. No one is above the other. Freedom is a gift for everyone. Step back from behind the shadows. Shake your shame and all your sorrow. Take your place and dance out in the sun. No one should live undercover. No one is above the other. Freedom is a gift for everyone.
Only worry that I'm crazy. 'Cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find. How you been looking hella fine?
I change our dish drying mat every week and I wipe our countertops every day, especially our stovetop, since I don't want to have a dirty kitchen.
Golden and heavy in the middle of the room. You were pouring over them and I was pouring over you. Yeah. Snapped by the glinting of those open glassy eyes, trying to decide if it's clarity or a reflection with a careful tension. When embarrassing affection, we can't get any closer without touching. I said, I can't put my hand there without going through it, without us both going through it. And they say the day dies when you meet your master. You're probably hoping that I cut you some slack, and that wouldn't be too bad if I didn't have to eat. But if I can't sleep in the shower, maybe now. 'Cause now I know the difference. Now I know the difference between a prayer and a preference, between desire and a deference. 'Cause I always leave with love, a new pouch in my pocket. It's a sweet, slow dripping in my vice grip. It's all gone by the morning, you know, man. Always want more in the morning. You're the good God, and you feel so smooth when you come through. I see you on the next page in the wreckage of the family blames, handing out the blankets to the family's brain. Baby, I'm a young lover down on my luck.
I also give our dish rack a good scrub weekly, since there can be molds which can form in it every time.
Like Jane and Chris Tucker without touching. No, I can't do it without touching. If there's asking too much, we can just close the book. Don't you wanna know if you're supposed to look? I wanna know if you know my name. Or should I go? Should I go? Say hey, 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 hey. Should I go? Should I go? Say hey, hey, hey.
These container lids always bothers me being scattered all the time. Luckily, I found this idea on Pinterest where you put all the lids in this filer, and it really helped a lot organizing this drawer.
She stands on the sideline, dancing slow and looks at me. She must be a sunlight.
So, the last thing that I always do, especially when I'm not cleaning the bathroom for the day, is to vacuum the floor. Again, I always start in our bedroom and the bathroom last.
To make her mine, but at the same time, I know love is hard to find. Side
After I vacuum the floor, I always proceed cleaning the bathroom before I mop the entire house. Right now, I've already changed my schedule in cleaning the bathroom from Tuesday and Thursday to Monday and Friday. I realized that it's important for me to clean the bath every Monday since during weekends we are all in the house and it's most likely that everyone will be using the bathroom or the toilet the entire 2 days. And like when everyone's at work except for me during weekdays, it's only me who uses the bathroom or the toilet. And then every Friday, because the length of time from Monday to Friday is longer, and like I've said, we seldom use the bathroom or the toilet during the weekdays since everyone's at work except for me.
Say goodbye so carefully. 'Cause I'm alright, still might try. What if I spend the night one more time? Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. I think I'll give it a try, give it a try.
And I always believe in letting the solution sit first for a few minutes before scrubbing or wiping. So after I put the toilet bowl solution, I proceed with spraying the sink and shower with the bathroom spray so that I can let the toilet bowl solution sit in. And then while I'm busy wiping the toilet bowl and scrubbing it, the bathroom cleaning solution that I sprayed will also sit in.
Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. I think I'll give it a try, give it a try. 'Cause I'm alright, still might try. What if I spend the night one more time? On the tip of my tongue, scared out my mind 'cause you're touching my arm. On the tip of your tongue, I wonder if you got ideas of love. On the tip of my tongue, looking at you like why the hell not? On the tip of your tongue, I swear it's okay if you wanna just talk. Love's on the back of my mind, on the back of my mind. I think I'll give it a try, give it a try. 'Cause I'm alright, still might try. What if I spend the night?
I'm using the Ajax bathroom cleaner in both our shower and sink, and the good thing about this is that you don't have to scrub the walls anymore. All you have to do is let the solution sink and then wipe it with a cloth. You don't have to rinse it. As for me, I always want to rinse everything since I'm not comfortable with letting the solution stay for too long. Also, this time, I decided to brush the tile grout of our shower to remove the grimes forming in it. And I always like to scrub our bathroom floor because I don't want to give it the opportunity to form grimes or molds. This is the last step in my cleaning routine. I always start mopping in our kitchen, but I don't know why this time I started mopping in our bathroom. Probably because I was kind of in a hurry this time since I started late today. Also, I mopped the floors twice since I want to make sure that the floor will be completely clean and I was able to remove the grease, especially in our kitchen.
Start with the making of my mind. I put them words in your
So, this is it, you guys. I hope that you like this cleaning video. Again, I apologize for the quality at the start of this video. If you like this, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and turn on the bell icon to keep you notified every time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I love you guys and see you in my next video.
with a careful tension. When embarrassing affection, we can't get any closer without touching. I said, I can't put my hand